Okay, here are your week 4 puzzle winners in your check-in. We had this puzzle here. First period, Bianca, Justin, Ava, Tuan, and Jillian all got 5 extra credit points. In third period, Gabe and Delaney were correct in their answers. In fourth period, Tony, Iser, and seventh period, Khalees. Good job. So here's how I did the problem. I assigned variables. So Q stood for queen, S stood for spoon, and W stood for wand instead of star, just because I had 2 S's, it would have been confusing. So I did W for wand. Couple things to be careful of. You have to look this witch or queen. I guess it's a witch. Oh, well, I'm putting queen. She's holding a spoon and the wand in all of these. And then if you look closely, the star or this wand here, these are all singles. But if you look carefully, there's a double one on this this spoon here. So that's important to remember. And then over here, it's hard to tell because there's a double wand. So those are things you got to be careful of. They try and trick you on these. So I created some equations. The first one here is there's 3 of them that are exactly the same. So I did 3 times the queen plus the spoon and then plus the wand, because that's all that's on there. So, and then there's 3 of them. So 3 times that. And then over here, I've got the wands. There's 3 of them. So W plus W plus W is equal to 21. That's probably the easiest one to solve. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So we just have 3W is equal to 21. And then I divide both sides by 3, and I'll get W is equal to 7. So for the wand, that's going to be equal to 7. Okay. Here we have the spoons. So there's 1 spoon and then 2 spoons and then another single spoon. That's equal to 12. So a total of 4 spoons is equal to 12. And if I divide both sides by 4, I'll get S is equal to 3. So over here, we've got 3 for the spoons. All right, let's see. What else do I need to do here? Let's tackle this one here. Now I can plug in the things I don't know. So 3 times Q we don't know. But I do know the spoons is 3. And I do know the W and the wand is worth 7. And that equals 45. So I have 3 times Q plus 10 is equal to 45. Then I will use the distributive property. I'll get 3Q plus 30 is equal to 45. And then I'll subtract 30 from both sides. So 3Q is equal to 15, and divide both sides by 3. So Q ends up equaling 5. So now that I know all those things, I can plug into this other equation. So the last equation is the spoon, which was worth 3, plus, and then it's the multiplication. So I'm going to use parentheses. It's going to be the queen or the witch, I guess. It's funny that I thought it was a queen the whole time. I don't know why I put that. But 5 times, and there's 2 of the wands, so it's 7 plus 7. So it's just a matter of solving that. So 3 plus 5 times 14. And then we have 3 plus 5 times 14 is 70. That equals the question mark. And then lastly, that's 73. So if you put 73 down as your answer, you got 5 extra credit points. I really want to encourage you to watch these videos so you have a method of how to use algebra to solve these, and then think about orders of operation. But be careful because they try and trick you. So just don't just rush into it. 5 extra credit points goes a long way. Good luck in next week's puzzle. Let me know if you have any questions. All right.